Welcome to Ann Paulo Avellino answers questions about their iconic cabinet scene in What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. They honestly expressed about how they felt when they were shooting the scene.
Last kissing scene, di ba?
But para sa akin, awkward lagi yung mga ganong scenes with the direction of Direct Chad. And siguro, rehearsal rin. Na hindi naman nagkikiss during rehearsal. Pero just to, para mas maging loose lang kami pareho ni Kim. Siguro yun yung mga nakatulong.
Paulo responded it was awkward as all kissing scenes are, and Kim answered it was embarrassing.
Nakakahiya yung mga ganong extent. Parang, oo, inisip mo, artista kami, na-acting namin. Pero parang binibigyan din namin yung sarili namin sa ganon.
She also said that they had to give it their best in one take so as not to do it again in another take since it will be more embarrassing if done repeatedly.
So, yun. Pero, pag nahiya ka ulit-ulit, parang pag ulit-ulit, nakakahiya na talaga ng sobra. So, para one time, big time na.
Kim jokingly said that aside from it being embarrassing, they were afraid they might fall for each other if it was done many times.
Isa't kalahati.
Isa't kalahati po.
Sanay na.
Ha?
Sanay.
Hindi naman. Para hindi nang ulit-ulit. Kasi nakakahiya naman. Baka ma-fall na kami. Charot.
Wow.
Charot. Pag ulit-ulit. Gawin na natin isahan lang para tapos na.
Pero ano yung mga
When asked if it was difficult or easy doing the kissing scene, this is how they responded.
Was that easy?
Grabe naman yung difficult tsaka easy.
Why?
Normal.
Wow! Normal.
Hindi, syempre ba?
They were also asked about their reactions to people saying their version of the iconic cabinet scene is better than the original.
Ganun nagsasabi sa Twitter, sa online world. Ikaw, Paolo, mas nakakakilig ka daw kaysa kay Park Seo-joon. Ano masasabi?
Hindi ako 100% sure pero sa mga naniniwala po doon, thank you.
Kasi parang mas natural daw yung kilig ninyo.
Siguro rin talaga. It means na nag-work yung adaptation. Nag-work siya na in-adapt into the Filipino culture and sa tema ng ating mga Pilipino timpla natin. And just thankful and grateful to sa mga tao na nagsabi.